Now, I have a guy friend, and he got an eyelash curler, and it significantly improved his appearance, in my opinion, because it made his eyes look, it made his eyelids look like they were higher, if you know what I mean. Do I think that men should curl their eyelashes? Yes, I think they should if it makes them look better, because it's safe, and this only costs a couple bucks. If it makes their eyes look more opened up and alert and vibrant and luscious and just pretty, then yes, I think they should. I'm not saying to use makeup. No, I don't use eye makeup. I hate eye makeup, but I like curling my eyelashes for special pictures or videos or something like that. Okay, so men, I think, don't see the details of a face as much as women. So they more look at the big picture and they're like, oh, that's a pretty girl, but I have no idea why she's just pretty, but yeah. But no, but you may not see that these eyelashes are curled. These aren't. It's a very minor difference, but it makes a huge difference on like videos and pictures sometimes. It depends on what your eyelashes are like. My tips are blonde, and so when I curl them, the dark roots are more easily visible. So I got this one first. It says Japanesque, that's the brand. And then I got this one, which is the same exact one, except a different color, and this was massively less expensive. I meant to say massively less expensive. Okay, so, but I didn't, okay, when you stick your eyelashes in there with the black, you can't see the eyelashes as well. That's why I got the green one. So let me show you. On this one that's already done. You stick your eyelashes in here. 1, and then I pull out just a bit. 2. Okay, isn't that cool? Okay, let me demonstrate. Stick that in. 1, 2. Do a little third one there. And then you can do it again if you want, if you feel the need to. Oh, I do this better in a mirror, but it's a little harder to do it in the camera. But anyway, yeah, like, can you see a difference? Okay, so, the description, well, more information is going to be in the description box, I meant. So anyway, yes, I think you should get these. I'm just saying, I'm just trying to help you out, people. If you don't want my help, then unsub. Bye.